I wanted to know, is there an offer from the prosecution to Mr. Mayor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what is the offer?
The offer is as follows. Go ahead, counsel.
The defendant would plead guilty to count 1, assault with a semi-automatic firearm, it's violation of 245B, and admit the allegation that he personally used a firearm pursuant to the allegation under 12022.5A. In exchange, he'd be placed on formal probation
Hold
for 3 years.
on. Are you aware, is the defense aware of this offer?
We received it right, Your Honor. We discussed it.
All right, go ahead.
I'm sorry.
So he pleaded to those charges, he'd be placed on probation for 3 years with 7 years state prison suspended. He'd have to serve 180 days in the county jail, complete 480 hours of community service, a 52-week anger management program, a gun safety course, and surrender any firearms that he has in his custody.
All right, I got the community service, I got the gun safety, what was it, anger management, is that what you said?
Yeah, 52 weeks anger management.
And Your Honor, we wanted to make sure that the defendant understood. We've said.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna ask him, is he aware of this offer and how he feels about it?
We just wanted to, from the people's perspective, Your Honor, make sure the counsel understands, the defendant understands, that if he's convicted, his max on this case is 24 years. We're gonna be asking, very likely, for a sentence that's gonna be somewhere 10, 12 years in state prison. And he's gonna have to serve, depending on CDCR's different credits, which seem to be changing. Originally it was 85%, they're still serving 2/3. But 2/3 of that time is a lot of time in state prison. We just wanna make sure that he is aware and understands for issues later, if he's convicted and there are issues of ineffective assistance, I didn't understand, I wasn't told, etc., that he's in court understanding that that's what he faces if he's convicted.
All right, Mr. Tacopina and Mr. Siegel, did you discuss this offer with your client?
Indeed, Your Honor.
Mr. Mayers, do you agree with that?
Yeah, they spoke to me about it in detail, Your Honor.
Did they fully explain to you what the offer is to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And how do you feel about it?
I respectfully decline, thank you.
All right, you understand that you never know what a jury's gonna do. If it happens that it doesn't go your way, people who are convicted of this crime, they go in custody and they go to prison. Are you aware of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because you're not gonna get any special treatment, you're not, your status as an entertainer, your status as the significant other of Rihanna, that's not gonna inure to your benefit, and it's not gonna inure to your harm. I'm gonna treat you like I would anybody else who's sitting on in that chair. So you are aware that if convicted, you'll go in custody, and it's very likely you'll get a significant prison sentence. You are aware of that?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm well aware.
All right, then you're not interested in the people's offer.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, then that takes care of it for appellate purpose. Okay.
Your Honor, can I just raise one more thing? We don't have, can I just front one more thing? We don't have to deal with it now.
Go ahead.
One other thing I just put in the email, and you don't have to do it now, it's, we have time.
Hold on, let me get it,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I don't think, I'm sure you sent it to me, I was probably, I
Okay.
didn't see it yet.
I just grew up to CC.
Are you talking about what you sent? I only have one email that you sent. Is that the one you're talking
This
about?
morning, right?
Yes, 9:22 a.m.
That's it.
today. All right, what part do you want to talk about?
Just, I think we don't know, we have to talk about it today, but just, I want to confront the issue regarding this. We had last night, a disclosure yesterday, videotape, that we don't think it's exactly accurate, they basically spliced it.
Oh, yeah.
So we can deal with that before it's introduced, or if you want to go to town.
Well, let's do it after the jury is selected,
Sure.
but before opening statements.
Sure.
All right, let's go down to 102.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Oh, off the record, has a decision been made whether Rihanna is for the